Yes, good evening or good morning, whatever time of day it is there. It is sunny, a sunny day here in Chicago, and want to announce a new addition, new equipment purchase for Geechee Line Music, Geechee Line Enterprises. I just got a new MacBook today. My daughter works for Apple, been working for Apple a little over a month, and I felt like I wanted to get a upgrade. The Mac that I've been using, I have been using it for music. Some of the music that you heard on my websites are being released. I produced some of that on my Apple MacBook Pro, which I bought about 5 years ago. I believe it was in around October of 2020. So today, here in September 2025, I purchased a new Mac. So I'm going to just open this now. It was just delivered to me less than an hour ago. And I'm going to open it up. As you can see, the box says MacBook Pro. Here it is, brand new. See, I'll open it here. There is a pull. There are two pull tabs. One on that side, one on this side. Take this, we'll put it over here. And see, this like paper tab is used to lift it up off of the packing material. And here we go. You can see this color is black. Black. The other one I had was silver. I don't know if you heard that sound. Dun. And then automatically, as soon as I open the unit up, still take the paper off. As you can see, look, it's prompting me to hello and get started, I guess, with the setup of this machine. But I want to say, I'm going to put this Otis, I'm going to let Otis hold it. This is Otis. This is it's a doll that my mother made. She used to work for Jefferson, so that's why she got Jefferson on there. And this is another one of the little baby dolls that she had around there. So Otis was taking care of her, so I just kept her there.
Under Anna's.
Okay. My mother's telling me was my niece's doll. Anyway, as you can see, here's the cord, which is, I guess, Thunderbolt, which is like Type C. And then here's the other side of it. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. The charger. Let's see what this is. I know it's got to be a cord. I guess this may be the cord that goes with this, but I'll find that out. They usually don't put a lot of accessories in these things anymore. So anyway, I guess if I hit return, then it's asking me to, and you can come a little closer. English language is the default, so obviously that's my language. I do have an Apple ID and all that, but I'm not going to go through trying to do all that now. Select your country or region, obviously it's United States. Put my mouse over there to continue. How do you want to transfer your information? Well, I do have another Mac, so I will be doing it from another Mac. So do I have any accessibility issues here? Vision, motor, hearing, or cognitive? No, none of those. I may have accessibility issues when it comes to accessing sex or something like that, but that's not one of the choices. So I'm going to say not now. Select your Wi-Fi network. Okay. So anyway, I don't have my password handy, but it's going to ask for your Wi-Fi network, and then it's probably going to ask for your name, your Apple ID, and all that. But anyway, I just wanted to show this today. That's my MacBook Pro, which I'm going to be setting up soon. I want to document it. Like, share, and subscribe to Geechee Line Journey YouTube channel. Also, I invite you again to go to my website, geecheelinemusic.com. I will be releasing 4 CDs within the next month. 4 CDs of 4 albums. Alone Together by T-Line Souls, Ministry by Geechee Line, The Passport Brothers Movement, and Memphis Prince by Imperial Brown and the Million Seller. They're all available. You can get the CD, the physical CD, autograph if you desire, and the full download for only $20. You can get that. If you just want the CD alone, I think the CD alone is only $15. But I would say these days, just get the whole package. That's one way you can support Geechee Line Music and what I'm doing. So Otis and I don't know what the doll's name is, but we thank you and we'll see you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Jump for